Hey traders, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. If you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and a developer of MPS software. In today's video, I want to do the analysis of my whole portfolio. I have 19 pairs in this portfolio, and I will analyze two time frames using the advanced pattern trading approach and harmonic pattern trading approach. So this would be a kind of detailed analysis, so those of you who are advanced pattern trader will find something in it, and those of you who are harmonic traders will also find something useful in it. As usual, my analysis consists on three parts. They are identification, trade execution, and trade management. As far as the identification goes, I'm using the MPS version 5. It is the newest software that is available on my website. The link is in description, www.ps-software.net. And well, let us start then. The first pair for our today's discussion is the euro dollar. For advanced pattern trading analysis, for advanced pattern traders, we have nothing. Let me switch to harmonic patterns. No patterns on 1 hour. Let's go 4 hour. Same stuff here for advanced patterns. And let me see if we have a shark pattern. No, we don't have any. Okay, nothing on euro dollar. Let us switch to dollar yen. Dollar yen advanced patterns, nothing. Harmonic patterns, nothing. 4 hour advanced patterns, nothing. Harmonic patterns, nothing. Okay, next pair, pound dollar, GBP USD 1 hour advanced patterns, nothing. Harmonic patterns, nothing. Let us switch to 4 hour, and on 4 hour we have a potential bat advanced formation. Let me switch to harmonic approach. We don't have bat according to harmonic approach. Okay, as far as this bat goes, I'm a fan of objectivity. When I see a pattern, this should be an obvious pattern, and I need to be sure that this pattern is not something that only I see. That's why I have multiple algorithms coded in this MPS version 5. And simply switching between them, I can see if some other guys who are using these different algorithms rather than I use can detect the same bat pattern, bat advanced formation. Okay, stochastic algorithm says nothing, RSI nothing, commodity channel index nothing, and WPR says nothing. Well, this is not an obvious pattern. This is not something that is seen to everybody. That's why I would skip this pattern, or I would trade it as a simple support resistance trade somewhere from this level. We can see this acting as resistance, resistance, resistance. I will look at the price action somewhere within this area. Okay, let's go euro yen 1 hour. We had this godly according to stochastic. Let me switch to price extreme. Okay, advanced pattern approach, harmonic pattern approach. Nothing very much changed since yesterday. And we have 4 hour advanced pattern approach and harmonic pattern approach, pretty much the same. Okay, as for this butterfly that is setting up and price is heading to this butterfly, according to my rules, it is already invalidated because the C to D leg is not one swing, it is already 1, 2, 3 movements. Well, let us go to New Zealand dollar. 1 hour advanced patterns, nothing. Harmonic patterns, we have a harmonic bat pattern that is setting up. Let us see if it is an obvious pattern, simply switching between different algorithms supported by stochastic. It is not seen by RSI, not seen by commodity channel index, and it is not seen by William percent range. So 2 of 3 algorithms say that there is a pattern. Well, it's not enough. For me to have a minimum for a pattern to be obvious, we need to have 3 out of 5 supporting this pattern. only in this situation I will call the pattern obvious. Let's go next. A harmonic approach on 4 hour Aussie dollar, nothing. Advanced pattern, nothing. Okay, next pair, pound yen 1 hour. So you see the list is empty, nothing that I like. Pound yen 1 hour advanced approach is nothing. Harmonic approach, nothing. Dollar Canadian, we have a potential bat pattern. It is a harmonic bat pattern. Switching to advanced formations, we also have a bat advanced formation. Here the two approaches coincide. Now let us see if the pattern is obvious. Okay, no, it is not supported by other algorithms. Well, no, it is not the one that I would trade. Let us switch to 4 hour and do the same operations, repeat the same routine, nothing that is setting up for on 4 hour. Okay, New Zealand dollar 1 hour. Let's go. Harmonic approach, nothing. Advanced pattern approach, nothing. 4 hour advanced pattern approach, nothing. Harmonic patterns, nothing. Pound Aussie, we had this bat setting up. It was invalidated. Okay, right now we have nothing based on advanced approach, and harmonic approach is nothing. Switch to 4 hour, nothing for harmonic trading approach, nothing for advanced formations. Euro GBP 4 hour advanced pattern approach, nothing. Harmonic, nothing. Sorry, it was 1 hour. Let us switch to 4 hour, and on 4 hour we have a butterfly pattern according to harmonic trading approach, and we have a godly pattern according to advanced pattern, advanced formations. Okay, in this situation you should know what type of trader you are. Either you are an advanced pattern trader or you are a harmonic pattern trader. If you are a harmonic pattern trader, you should wait until it completes the pattern. To complete the pattern, we need the bar that touches last line of this potential reversal zone. We have 3 levels within this potential reversal zone. And with advanced pattern trading approach, we simply need to touch this completion point to complete the pattern. As for trade management, classic advanced pattern trading is simply setting a limit order here and a stop loss just above X. The software is set to show me 113 Fibonacci extension, X to A Fibonacci extension to set the stop loss, and the targets are calculated as this 382 and 618 levels from to measure the whole pattern from this bottom to this top. Okay, they are classic variations of trade execution and trade management. As for me personally, I don't trade godlies, I trade custom patterns. They are unified godlies. So it looks very much the same as a godly pattern or a godly formation, but the completion of this is always 786. I call it a unified godly because it is an attempt to unite 2 patterns, the bad pattern and the godly pattern. I think it was a mistake to split original pattern into 2. There is no sense to distinguish between bats and godlies. This is unified formations that I would like to see. Euro GBP 4 hour time frame. Okay, now let's see if this pattern is supported by other algorithms and if this pattern is obvious. Not for stochastic, not RSI, well, pretty much the same. Yep, pretty much the same, slightly different starting point for the RSI, but both of them say that it already completed. Commodity channel index, no pattern, and WPR 2 of 3. Well, the pattern is not that obvious on 4 hours, so I would wait a kind of double top here. I would wait some support resistance trading opportunities here. I wouldn't trade it simply as a pattern. I would trade it as potential resistance zone. I mean that I need some confirmations for that. Okay, Euro Aussie. It is 1 hour time frame. Bad pattern. We never had a reversal here. Bad advanced formation. And harmonic approach. We had the same bad. You see the candles just went through the potential reversal zone and never give us a reversal. Nothing happened. And now let's go next. Oh, sorry, 4 hour. On 4 hour we have nothing. OCN, 1 hour harmonic approach, nothing. Advanced pattern approach, nothing. 4 hour. On 4 hour we have this bad. It is still running since, I don't know, since Friday maybe. So what are my ideas? I remind you this situation. The potential reversal zone is acting as a support, yes, and look how it was broken to the downside. After that, price simply retraced back to this support level, and now it is moving to retest the lows. Simple support resistance trading. If it were pattern trading, then here we would find some kind of rejection, and it would go to the upside immediately. We never break it through. Although the stop loss was not hit, I never opened this trade because of this price action within the potential reversal zone. Although the stop loss was not hit, it is not advisable to enter this pattern at all. The support was broken, both of them. The one that is calculated by harmonic approach, and the second one that is simply the pivot point, the turning point, whatever the structure point. We have a lower low, lower close. Well, nothing. No trade here, only to the downside. And if we switch it here, my pattern unified godly says that we started here, but it never changes anything. It is the same. So broken to the downside. Okay, switch to the next pair. We have few pairs left. Euro Canadian, 1 hour. Harmonic approach, advanced approach, nothing. 4 hour. Advanced approach, harmonic approach, nothing. GBP CAD, 1 hour. Harmonic approach, advanced approach, nothing. 4 hour. Advanced approach and harmonic approach, nothing. Okay. New Zealand yen, 30 minute. I've been trading this. Well, I tell you a lot that this bad patterns are not that very good as they might seem, and because in majority of cases price simply starts the reversal early and it never triggers that completion level. That's why bad pattern traders simply miss this pattern. But if you use unified godly instead, then you have this. You see the pattern completed, reaction number 1, reaction number 2. You could trade either of these two movements to the upside. Okay, we capitalized on these movements yesterday in my private chat group on TradingView. So type me a message on TradingView if you wish to join that chat room to discuss the patterns, how to enter, how to exit, how to manage them. We talked about this. Okay, 4 hour, nothing according to advanced approach, nothing to harmonic approach. Euro New Zealand, 1 hour, had this messy stuff, and then we continued higher. Okay, all these patterns 1, 2 and 3, all of them, yes, they were broken to the upside. This is a signal for price to move higher. high and high and high. So the pattern is something that tells you that a reversal might happen. If the reversal does not happen, then the pattern is the same indication of opposite, of continuation, for example, or something that will continue the movement. Okay, the same with harmonic approach, kind of consolidation broken to the upside. Let's go 4 hour. So this was the consolidation period. Looks like penny pattern, whatever, something. Then this large candle broken. Good opportunity to enter long, at least to test these highs. See these highs? And wait for a retest to get a better entry and then execute this. Harmonic approach is nothing, advanced pattern approach is nothing. Canadian yen, advanced patterns, harmonic patterns, nothing. 1 hour, 4 hour, advanced patterns and harmonic patterns, nothing. Aussie CAD, 1 hour, nothing here, nothing there. And 4 hour, have this head and shoulders. Now we, after the break of that head and shoulders, we came to retest the high. Potential broken resistance now should turn into a support. Pretty good trading opportunity to enter higher. Okay, as for the pattern trading, advanced patterns, nothing. It already happened. It's already part of the history. Nothing that is setting right now. Okay, the last pair for the day is also New Zealand 1 hour. We had this bet. For me, it is already invalidated. The movement is choppy. It started to the upside. As for advanced pattern trading approach, we have this cipher pattern, and I think it already hit some targets. Looks like it was touch and reverse situation. So the pattern started from 07688. Okay, pip to pip reversal. Very precise trading for this cipher. So if you were in this cipher, your congratulations, you had these wonderful winners. 4 hour advanced patterns, nothing. Harmonic patterns will have a godly pattern. Now let us see if this is an obvious pattern. Stochastic, same. RSI, nothing. Commodity channel, nothing. Volume percentage, nothing. 2 out of 5, not enough. Not enough to say that we have a good godly formation. What if we switch to advanced patterns and use a custom approach? We will also have 2 algorithms saying the same and others keep silence. Well, we'll need additional confirmation. Here we have support, resistance. If we break it higher, if we break the resistance higher, price will most likely move to the next resistance, which was previously support as well. You can see this, yes? And starting from here, we can expect some bounce starting from this level. Not lower, at least not lower before that, if we break it to the upside. Well, I will look at this trading as simple structure support resistance trading. If we break it higher, then I will buy it from here to here, and after that I will sell it from here to here, something of this kind. In this case, the pattern itself, it doesn't say much. Okay, that's it for our Aussie New Zealand. As you can see, this is left blank. Don't have anything that fits my criteria. Aussie New Zealand is 4 hour pretty far from completion. Well, nothing for today, guys. So may have a rest. I'll do some scalping on euro dollar 5-minute. This is the strategy. If you guys new or watched this YouTube video on my channel, it is called scalping with patterns or something of that kind, and I explain the rules for euro dollar 5-minute trading. The idea is very simple. Just exploit the patterns, exploit the price action that appears within the potential reversal zone, and set the targets as 6 pips targets, always, regardless of the pattern, without stretching any Fibonacci's, without doing something of this kind. And it was pretty good decision. The strategy is about 60% accurate. Well, there are some statistical data and some explanations in the video, so watch it. Okay, if you guys are new to these patterns, and if you don't know what is the difference between harmonic approach and advanced approach, you are welcome to visit my website www.ps-software.net. Right in the front page you will see the video that is called Introduction, video number 1. Watch this video. If you're interested in my software, watch the second video. It is called Demonstration, so you will see what is the software capable for. On my website, the video that is demonstrated is the MPS version 4, and in today's video I've been using MPS version 5. The newest software, the newest version, will replace the MPS version 4 on the 1st of July, but right now you have the opportunity to get a pre-market sell-off, and if you order MPS version 4, you get MPS version 5 instead. Of course, if you wish to. Well, now that's it. If you like this video, welcome to hit that thumbs up button, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.